Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with K. Well, I think this is the first episode of Cooking with K. I don't know, bro. Today I decided to have breakfast for dinner, and so I'm making oatmeal with sausage and scrambled eggs. Alright, so I think I started off with heating the little griddle thingy. We heated it up, we sprayed it, put the sausage on there, you know what I'm saying? And then I started putting the water in the little pot. Started putting water in the pot. I ended up finding out that this pot was too small, so I had to transfer to a bigger pot. Typically you want to go 2-to-1, so 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 cups of water. After we have our pot with water in it, we go ahead and put our sausage patties on the griddle to get those cooking a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Afterwards, we take our eyes back to the stove to check. Afterwards, we check out the stove, see what's popping, see what's happening. Our water should be starting to boil by now. So while our water is getting heated up, we'll go ahead and start cracking these eggs. Start cracking the eggs, whisking it up a bit, and then add in our seasoning. I added garlic powder, salt and pepper, and cayenne. Alright. Our water is now boiling, so we can add in our oats. Yes sirree bobble. Yes sirree bobble. Now that our oats are boiling, we get to add in our milk. I messed up here. I messed up here. I should not have done this. Okay, this is too much. This is too much liquid for the oats. I ended up having to drain off a bit of this because, man, it was just too much. Now that our oats are cooked or cooking, we get to have our eyes back on our eggs. I forgot to hit the record button, so you missed the part where I put the butter in there and let it melt and everything. And so yeah, this is what you're seeing. This is what you're seeing. All right. So before we get to eat, we have to clean. You gotta get the dishes clean before we get to eat. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and this is the finished product. We got the oats, we got the sausage, and we got the eggs. Good eats. Alright, yes sir. Before we eat, we gotta say a little grace. Amen. Everything is good. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you for being here. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.